Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the audio commentary, or even there are some announcer in the game. What you need to do first is tap the edit button at the top of your screen. Select volume setting or the audio setting. So for example, I choose the volume setting. You can also adjust the music volume, home chance, and the others. And that what I want to show you is this one, commentary and announcer. So for the default, this commentary and announcer not yet download, so the game will without commentary like on television. So if you want to turn on or give a surrounding by commentary like on television, you have to download it by tap the commentary. As you can see, there are stadium sound effect, home crowd, public announcement, and player call. You can download it if you want. And also there are some commentary in many languages. So if you are in English, you can download it by tap this English. This is direct when short Robson is a real person. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.